Okay guys, so I'm going to be taking you shopping with me today. We're going to the supermarket and I am going to let you have a look at some of the items that are sold in a Jamaican supermarket, and you'll get an idea of what the prices are in a Jamaican supermarket. Sparkling cranberry water for 67, quite cool. And in Evian, how much for the Evian? Right. 613 Catherine's Peak. Okay guys, so couple things I wanted to point out to you. First, it's like 1:30 in the afternoon, so as you can see the place is kind of empty, and that is absolutely perfect for me. I love when the supermarket is almost empty when I am there to shop. It makes the experience so much better. And then I also wanted to point out that the prices that I'm going to show you do not include tax. All right, so you have to add tax to it, and I think that is like 15%. I showed a lot of prices for everything. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do the calculation for you to US for every price, but I'm going to make an attempt. The US is at $154.62 at the moment. I normally try to give prices Canadian and UK as well, but I may just give the exchange rate, and if you're interested in the price of a particular product, you can do your own calculations, because it's just like 20 minutes of footage. I'm not sure if I'll be able to calculate all those prices for you, so I'll probably just do it for the US, and I will put the exchange rate for other currencies on the screen. So if you're interested in learning the price for a particular thing, you can always do that calculation for yourself. Okay. All right. Now it's Easter time, so of course we have to look at some of the Easter buns that they have here. Do you guys have do you have a specific type that you enjoy? I, for one, I don't like the ones that have a whole heap of mixed fruit in it. No, just give me straight raisins. Everything else just kind of gets in the way. Alright, so I may come back around for the Easter buns. This one is one sterling Easter bun. Okay, so what do I need to tell you about the Jamaican supermarket shopping experience? What added information can I provide you with other than the prices? I've been thinking about this for a while, and the first thing that came to mind is the fact that there is a ban on plastic bags as of January 1st, 2019. So you will need to bring your own reusable bag with you when coming to the supermarket or doing any kind of shopping anywhere, even clothing stores. If you forget it, no worries. It's normally on sale at the supermarket, wholesale, or wherever you do your shopping. I haven't bought one for a while, but they come in different sizes, and the last time I checked, I think the prices range from about $50 or $60, $100. I think they have some for $500 if you want the supermarket branded bag. It's usually bigger and thicker, and I know that some supermarkets and wholesales, if you don't have a bag and if you don't want to purchase one, they can put your items in a box, so they do that as well. Also, most stores in Jamaica have a baggage section just before entering the store, and that's where you leave any extra bags you may have with you. Why them do this? It could be because they don't want you to steal. But if you're thinking positively, you know who wants to lug around with extra bags when they're shopping? So yeah, I can't think of anything else. So if you have any questions, you can always put that in the comment section and I will answer them for you. So this, for example, this is a normal bun, which I actually prefer because it only has raisins and that's enough for me. So all our smaller one them fall off. Okay, this is hard. Oh, you're not soft at all. Only hard too. Some more spice buns here. So you need to tell me which one's your favorite. I don't like any of these. I don't like any of these. This one, Colleyville, but it's so light brown. Remember Kiss Cakes? 56. Skippy peanut butter. Then we have the water crackers. 94 for the small one. And then for this, the cream crackers is 63. I think I want one of the cream crackers, but I want a special cream, which is this one. Special cream. This one here. An Oreo. Alright, so done with this aisle. More soda. Meat. I don't see the age off. Okay, it's 5.31 for this. Like this one here, and then this is coconut. This is natural coconut, creamy. And then they have this coffee and cocoa. Coffee and cocoa. Oh, moringa. The one I want is this. No, on the citrus. This one. Sorry. Sufficient tissue. Oh, sorry if I'm laughing. Alright. I think I want this one. Tissue aisle. Tissue. These ones. Okay, next stop is salt fish. Oh, rice. Rice. And a long green one. Herb oil, extra long fortified. And then you have the packed out rice. I'm gonna remember how much I pay for this one. How much I pay for this? 2,000 something. No. Can't take up too much things because gracefully is here before. So the grace one, and that's 407. This is pickles mackerel, 223. I want this. I like the look. Alright. Alright, so the top piece is okay, but I don't like how the bottom piece looks. Okay. The boneless. I'll see the price. I have no clue. I've never bought this before. This is all red herring. When last you eat red herring? Spices. Fish fillet. Oh, they are too tiny. Too small for the price. What to do? This is like one person. This is lard. Okay guys, so are the prices similar to prices that you pay abroad or wherever you shop? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy these types of videos. Watch this next video where I share with you how to save money while living in Jamaica.